Hi, my name is Paul Rodney Turner. I'm the founder and director of Food Yoga International, formerly known as Food for Life Global. I'm just doing an emergency call out to all of our fans and supporters because of the earthquake in Colombia that recently hit Cali, Pereira, Choco, a few different cities, and the devastation is enormous. We actually felt it here where I'm living in Colombia, in a place called Chía, and we felt it very dramatically, what to speak of being on the spot there. So we have a team currently now responding to the needs of the people that are affected by the earthquake. 700 meals are going out every day, but we want to expand that, and we need your support to help us do that. So I'm actually personally going to be going to Cali and Pereira to oversee the coordination of the food relief, and it's urgent. We need your help right now, please.
Wow, cayó todo el edificio prácticamente. Miren cómo quedó esa parte ahí. Hay gente enterrada, muchachos, hay gente enterrada en ese edificio. No puedo creerlo.
So I want to also thank you for the support you gave us for the relief efforts in Venezuela. That went really, really well. And I've been living here for 13 years in Colombia, so I know the people, they're really beautiful and they need our help.
¡Dios mío! ¡Ay, Dios mío, mi vida! ¡Mi mamá! ¡Se cayó, mi amor!
All of the money is donated will be used for food, transportation, all the logistics. We'll have reports, of course, ongoing reports on social media as well as on the website. You can visit us at ffl.org, where I'll be posting latest updates.